Hello student, in this lesson we will study 3 points. How to add header and footer and remove them, how to do slide order, and how to do master slide. This one we will not study it because we didn't reach to it. So, what's header and footer? Header and footer is anything that you write or you choose and it will be repeated in all slides. So we will know how to practice header and footer, and we will know how to add slide order, and we will know how to do master slide. So for example, this PowerPoint, if we want to add or see the number of every slide here under this slide, so we will choose it from header and footer. If I want the date of today, for example, to put it in every slide, we have to add it from header and footer. Also, if I want, for example, my name to be shown here in every slide, you can also add it from header and footer. So now let's go to see what we can do with header and footer. So we will add header. We will go from insert, and you have here, guys, header and footer. You choose. Now what do you want to add in header and footer? Do you want to add the date and time? You click here and you choose. If you don't want date and time, just remove it. You want the slide number, look, it will be here in the corner in this side, so you select it. If you want footer here, and you write anything that you want it to be written here under each slide. For example, I will say practice file. Okay, don't show in the title slide. You can see here we have title slide. So do you want these things to be written in the main slide or the title slide? If you want if you want the slide number and the footer to be shown in the title slide, you just keep it like this. If you want it to be hidden, you select this one. Now I choose only slide number and footer. Now here we have two options, guys. Apply, it will practice on the slide you choose. Apply to all, they will practice these changes in all slides. So I will tell you, or we will see what will happen. I will choose apply to all. You will see now here I have the slide number and I have the name that I wrote. Let's go to slide number 3. You will see the same practice file and number 3 slide. Look, also here 4 and the name. So here these are the slides header and footer. If you want to remove them, just come here from header and you remove this and click apply to all, and we add and remove header and footer. Now we will not talk about slide order, but what's slide order? You see that every slide has an order. For example, this is slide number 1, this is slide number 2, and this is slide number 3, so and so far. So if I want to reorder the slides, how we can do it? The first step is we going to view and we choose slide sorter here, and you can see these are the floor slides we had. So if I want this slide, it's number 3, I want it to be the second. Let's see, focus, it's called exercise. I will just drag and drop. So I will drag it to here. You see this small line, so I will leave the mouse. Look, now it is number 2. I want number 1 to be the last. I'll just drag it and put it in the last. So this is how we do slide order. Now I will go back to normal. Number 3, slide master. Slide master actually, guys, is the how you can change the design, your design. For example, you see this design of the slides. and we have many designs. We can see them from design here and click this arrow. Look how many designs we have. I can choose, for example, this design. I don't like it, you can change it. This design or any other design. Now if I want to create my own design, we will go to where? To master slide. So we'll go back here. Now how we go to master slide? I will go to view and here master slide, and I will go to the main slide. You see this is the parent slide we call it, and these are the sub slides. So I'll click on number 1. For example, I want to add here a square at the corner to change this design. So I will go to insert shapes. I will choose rectangle or square. Here I will put it here, for example. I will go to format and I will change the color to be, for example, blue. You notice that this design is repeated in all designs. You can add any design you want. When you finish, you go to slide master, close master view. So this one we finished the design of the slide master. Okay guys, so this is what we studied so far.